Okay, guys, I'm back. I mentioned in my last video something to the effect about I would discuss more about the freedom of living in nature, and I figure I may as well do it right now before I forget. When you hit 75, you do forget. But I was discussing about, being able to take showers and all, and nature. It's nice to be able to do that. It's nice to be able to get rid of this earthly skin that is put on us from the time we're born to the time we die. I'm not saying join the nudist colony. God forbid, I would never. I'm a private nudist. Is there such a thing? Yeah, okay. But, I was just thinking, I don't know why I was just thinking about it, just kind of hit my, I just want to give you a little bit of view of where I'm at. But, you're sitting out there, or you're taking a shower or something, and all of a sudden you hear something moving near you, and you look, and there's a deer looking at you going, "What are you doing out there? Why are you taking a shower out here? Why are you nude out here?" Oh my gosh, yeah, I could just see this. Okay, it's my imagination, but there's a group of deers and rabbits and coons and all these different critters standing there looking at you like, do you belong here? Okay, my imagination. Sorry about that. But anyway, it's a freedom that I have never, and here I am, 75, and I've never really experienced anything like this. And I never want to go back. I don't want to go back. When I visit my daughter, I feel enclosed. I feel like I'm in a box because I have to be indoors, and I have to sleep indoors, and I have to cook indoors. There's no freedom. There's just no freedom. Not for me. If you ever want to do this, or even try it. Try it. Get in your vehicle. Go camping on a weekend. Make sure you're going to a place where nobody is going to possibly see you. I mean, there's always that chance. You don't know. But, yeah, do it. Do it once. Go out there. Hopefully there's water. There's a pond. There's something out there that you can actually even walk into. Take your clothes off. Embrace that water without nothing on. And, okay, yes, you might get some kind of disease. Oh, God, I don't even think about those things, okay? But let yourself free. Let yourself free. See how you feel. It's hard at first, because it was for me. It was like, oh my God, somebody might see me. Well, I know I'm in a place where nobody's going to see me, so what am I worried about? But try it. Try that freedom. Try sleeping in a hammock. Preferably fall, when it's no mosquitoes and stuff like that. And I don't necessarily sleep at night in the hammock, but I have during the day many times. Even when I was living in a stick and brick home, I had a hammock, and I'd go out there and I'd take my naps outside. But honestly, people, go out in nature. and really experience what they experience, okay? The freedom that you see, when you see a deer hopping along, and a rabbit or any other critter that's out there, and you see the freedom that they are having, that's what you will feel like. That's what I feel like. I feel relieved of all of life's pressures, all of life's, it's like everything that you experience out in a normal, quote, normal lifestyle is gone. It's gone. And it's just you and nature. Embrace it. Try it once. Just try it once. And let me know. Let me know how you felt. Like I say, at first, it's very unnerving. But if you know where to go, and it's a nice, secluded area, and you know you're not going to be disturbed by humans, do it. It's a freedom. It's an awesome, awesome, awesome freedom. Okay, enough for my X-rated video. I'm probably going to lose some subscribers, but that's okay. I mean, this videos are for me to express how I feel and to share my life with you. And, oh, there they go. They just heard something. I see nature. But anyway, I got to let the little dogs out. I've got to feed and water the cats. So I better get off of this. I'll get off this platform. And I shall say, guys, don't forget to like, share, maybe I shouldn't say it, but I will, comment, and subscribe. Love every one of you. Hugs. Have a great day.